How do I install disc games on Xbox Series S?
Hello there, fellow gamers. Today, we're going to walk you through how to install disc games on your Xbox Series S, but please note, Xbox Series S does not have a disc drive. It is a digital-only console. However, we have a workaround solution to consider. Ready? Let's dive in.
Why can I install disc games directly?
The Xbox Series S is designed as a digital-only console. This means it does not have a disc drive. Unlike the Xbox Series 10, which supports both disc-based and digital games, the Series S can only play games downloaded from the Microsoft Store or streamed from a service like Xbox Game Pass.
What's the workaround?
While you can't install disc games directly on your Xbox Series S, there is a potential workaround if you also have an Xbox One or an Xbox Series 10. You could install the disc game on that console and then use network transfer to move it to your Xbox Series S. Please note this method will only work if the game also has a digital version available. If it's a disc-only title, then unfortunately, you won't be able to play it on your Xbox Series S.
How do I use network transfer?
Here's a step-by-step guide to using network transfer. 1. Turn on both consoles and ensure they're connected to the same local network. 2. Go to Settings on the console with the game installed. 3. Navigate to System, then Backup and Transfer, and select Network Transfer. 4. Tick the Allow Network Transfer box. 5. Switch to your Xbox Series S. Follow the same steps to navigate to the network transfer page. 6. You should see your other console listed. Select it, then choose the games you want to transfer. 7. Press Copy selected to start the transfer. Remember to keep both consoles turned on during the transfer. And that's a wrap. While the Xbox Series S doesn't support disc games directly, this workaround can help you enjoy your disc games without a hitch, as long as you also have access to an Xbox One or Xbox Series 10. We hope this guide was helpful, and happy gaming!